Watch video 7 on Chapter 2, Concept and Role of a Mutual Fund from the Workbook for NISM Series VA, Mutual Fund Distributors Certification Examination, and review the multiple choice questions and answers. Point 1. What is the correct understanding of investing in mutual funds? A. Investing in mutual funds is the same as investing in equities directly. B. Investing in mutual funds means investing through them into other securities. C. Mutual funds are risk-free investments. D. Mutual funds offer guaranteed returns. Answer: B. Investing in mutual funds means investing through them into other securities. 2. What does a mutual fund scheme provide access to? A. Real estate properties. B. Government schemes only. C. Equities, bonds, and money market instruments. D. Fixed deposits. Answer: C. Equities, bonds, and money market instruments. 3. How does a mutual fund help an investor? A. By offering free financial advice. B. By offering a different way of investing, along with professional management. C. By guaranteeing higher returns. D. By allowing only high net worth individuals to invest. Answer: B. By offering a different way of investing, along with professional management. 4. What type of entity is a mutual fund? A. A private company. B. A government body. C. A trust. D. A bank. Answer: C. A trust. 5. What is the primary role of mutual funds? A. To avoid paying taxes. B. To help investors earn income or build wealth. C. To offer loans to investors. D. To invest only in real estate. Answer: B. To help investors earn income or build wealth. 6. How are the terms fund and scheme used in the mutual fund industry? A. They are used interchangeably. B. They have completely different meanings. C. Only fund is used officially. D. Only scheme is used officially. Answer: A. They are used interchangeably. 7. What does the money raised by mutual funds benefit? A. Only private companies. B. Governments, companies, and other entities. C. Banks and insurance companies. D. Charitable organizations. Answer: B. Governments, companies, and other entities. 8. How do mutual funds contribute to the economy? A. By providing loans to small businesses. B. By funding projects that create employment and promote economic development. C. By avoiding taxes. D. By investing only in government bonds. Answer: B. By funding projects that create employment and promote economic development. 9. What role do mutual funds play in corporate governance? A. They can influence the management of investee companies. B. They are required to audit companies. C. They avoid investing in any company. D. They do not play any role in corporate governance. Answer: A. They can influence the management of investee companies. 10. In what way can mutual funds act as a market stabilizer? A. By regulating interest rates. B. By countering large inflows or outflows of foreign investments. C. By issuing government bonds. D. By providing insurance against market losses. Answer: B. By countering large inflows or outflows of foreign investments. 11. In 2022, how did mutual funds provide market stability? A. By investing in cryptocurrencies. B. By countering heavy foreign investor sell-offs in the equity market. C. By withdrawing from the stock market. D. By reducing fees for investors. Answer: B. By countering heavy foreign investor sell-offs in the equity market. 12. What is a mutual fund scheme? A. A specific pool of money raised for a particular investment objective. B. A loan provided by the government. C. A short-term bond issued by the mutual fund. D. A type of bank savings account. Answer: A. A specific pool of money raised for a particular investment objective. 13. What are the primary investment objectives of mutual fund schemes? A. Safety, liquidity, and returns. B. Capital gains and tax benefits. C. Only liquidity and returns. D. Only safety and high returns. Answer: A. Safety, liquidity, and returns. 14. What does an equity fund aim to achieve? A. Capital preservation only. B. Capital appreciation by investing in equity-related instruments. C. Providing fixed income only. D. Only investing in bonds. Answer: B. Capital appreciation by investing in equity-related instruments. 15. What is the primary objective of a hybrid fund? A. To invest only in bonds. B. To generate capital appreciation and income by investing in both equities and debt instruments. C. To avoid all risks. D. To guarantee returns. Answer: B. To generate capital appreciation and income by investing in both equities and debt instruments. 16. What type of fund is focused on providing high liquidity? A. Equity fund. B. Hybrid fund. C. Long duration fund. D. Overnight fund. Answer: D. Overnight fund. 17. What is the investment objective of a long duration fund? A. To generate a steady stream of income through fixed income securities. B. To invest in money market instruments. C. To focus on short-term capital appreciation. D. To invest only in equity. Answer: A. To generate a steady stream of income through fixed income securities. 18. What is the relationship between a mutual fund scheme's investment objective and its asset allocation? A. The investment objective determines the asset allocation. B. There is no relationship. C. Asset allocation is determined solely by the investor. D. The asset allocation depends only on the market conditions. Answer: A. The investment objective determines the asset allocation. 19. What is included in the investment policy of a mutual fund scheme? A. Only the asset allocation. B. The asset allocation and investment style. C. Only the fee structure. D. Only the risk factors. Answer: B. The asset allocation and investment style. 20. What kind of assets would a mutual fund invest in if its objective is liquidity? A. Equity shares. B. Long-term bonds. C. Money market instruments or short-term debt papers. D. Real estate. Answer: C. Money market instruments or short-term debt papers. 21. What type of mutual fund scheme would invest in equities to achieve capital appreciation? A. Overnight fund. B. Equity fund. C. Money market fund. D. Fixed income fund. Answer: B. Equity fund. 22. What is a focused fund? A. A fund that concentrates its investments in a few select securities. B. A fund that invests in real estate. C. A fund that invests in government bonds. D. A fund that guarantees returns. Answer: A. A fund that concentrates its investments in a few select securities. 23. What does a diversified fund do? A. Invests only in a single asset class. B. Spreads its investments across various securities and sectors. C. Focuses on real estate investments. D. Avoids investing in the stock market. Answer: B. Spreads its investments across various securities and sectors. 24. What kind of mutual fund scheme would adopt a growth style of investing? A. A scheme focused on liquidity. B. A scheme that invests in growth-oriented companies for capital appreciation. C. A scheme that avoids all risks. D. A scheme that provides fixed income. Answer: B. A scheme that invests in growth-oriented companies for capital appreciation. 25. What happens to the profits or losses generated by a mutual fund scheme? A. They are shared between the asset management company and the investor. B. They belong solely to the investors or unit holders. C. They are distributed to the government. D. They are retained by the mutual fund company. Answer: B. They belong solely to the investors or unit holders. 26. What is the role of the asset management company in a mutual fund scheme? A. To guarantee returns to investors. B. To professionally manage the investments on behalf of investors. C. To provide insurance for losses. D. To invest only in government bonds. Answer: B. To professionally manage the investments on behalf of investors. 27. What is disclosed in the scheme information document, SID? A. The expected returns only. B. The asset allocation and investment style of the mutual fund scheme. C. The historical performance of the fund manager. D. The total number of investors in the scheme. Answer: B. The asset allocation and investment style of the mutual fund scheme. 28. What is the primary objective of a mutual fund with a focus on income generation? A. To provide high returns with high risk. B. To generate a steady stream of income through fixed income securities. C. To invest only in equities. D. To invest in real estate properties. Answer: B. To generate a steady stream of income through fixed income securities. 29. What investment style might a mutual fund manager use for a long-term growth strategy? A. Value style. B. Conservative style. C. Money market style. D. Short-term trading style. Answer: A. Value style. 30. What determines the returns of a mutual fund scheme? A. The size of the mutual fund. B. The returns generated from the underlying investments in the scheme. C. The number of investors in the scheme. D. The fees charged by the mutual fund company. Answer: B. The returns generated from the underlying investments in the scheme.